let's look at this stuff one more time. All right, here's our fraction, here's our big division, there's our other fraction. So let's take this and let's separate it, get it all worked out, and then put it back together. So again, here's our big division. All right, so let's just break them apart, deal with them separately, and then put them back together. So again, the nice thing is that 3 over x plus 5, that is already taken care of. You don't have to deal with anything. So that is pretty nice. So now, let's look at the denominator. Okay, so the denominator is 2 over x minus 3. We're going to need to get a common denominator in a second. And then 1 over x plus 5. All right, I gave myself some more room because I'm going to have to get common denominators. So we ask, what is this one missing that this one has? This one's missing the x plus 5 on bottom and on top. That means that that is a pair, so I'm just going to put parentheses there. What is this one missing that that one has? That's an x minus 3, and on top as well. All right, so now we've got that common denominator. Look at this, see if there's a better blue. Doesn't look like it though. So x minus 3 and x plus 5 is the denominator. X minus 3, x plus 5. And our numerator is now just our distribution. 2x plus 10 plus x minus 3. So that was an easy distributing problem. So now, before we finish and we divide this one, since we already have it, by this one, let's just take it one step further and let's put our like terms together. That's 3x. That would be plus 7. And then our common denominator hasn't changed. So now, we have got our numerator has been sitting over here. It's been ready to divide. X plus 5. We have our denominator. We have now combined the denominator to one fraction with a common denominator. So now we can actually divide those. Okay? So remember, when we divide, you guys know, we've been saying it over and over again, our phrase is keep, change, flip. All right, so we're going to keep it, change it, flip it. So I'm going to take this over to the other side. This was our adding and subtracting part, so I'm going to take it one more step and do our dividing part. So that's 3 divided by our x plus 5. Change it. And now I'm going to flip it. So that's x minus 3 times x plus 5 is now up. And our 3x plus 7 is now down. So now, just like we did with other multiplying and dividing, okay, multiplying is just straight across. So we can tell that we can cancel out our x plus 5s. It's always nice when we can cancel things out because we feel like we've done everything and we've gotten some stuff taken care of. So that leaves us with 3 times x minus 3. You can distribute it if you want, but you don't have to. All right, I like to leave things separate because then I can cancel out if I see it. And then 3x plus 7 is in the denominator. All right, that doesn't have a GCF, so that's as far as it goes. So there's one more example of what we call complex fractions. Fractions within fractions where we have to add and subtract and we have to divide at the end in order to get all of those fractions into one final answer. So it's all the rules that we know, but we just have to take it each piece at a time. Hopefully that helped you out some, and we'll just keep practicing, keep answering questions from here.